Hi,
You know, I'm hard of hearing.
yes,
Thank you,
sure. So did you complete your evaluation?
ma'am.
Did you complete your evaluation?
Yes.
All right, what date did you complete it on?
What date?
Yes.
I don't remember.
All right, was it last month, this month?
It was about 4 or 5 days ago.
Okay, all right, we're gonna reset you. And do you know the name of the doctor who did the evaluation? Do you know the name of the doctor who completed your evaluation?
David, I think. The doctor, the last name was kind of hard to,
Jumis?
I couldn't pronounce the last name.
Is it Jumis?
Who?
Jumis.
Yes.
All right, so let me see here. We're gonna recall this for February 26th. I'll give you a reset form. Once you sign it, you will be excused. So council to be for February 26th.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, yes, ma'am.
You'll have him sign that, please. Hi, if you could give that to Mr. Murray. Thank you so much. I appreciate it.
Is that it?
Once you sign the reset form, you're excused.
Right here, Mr. Murray.
Oh, thank you,
here.
Your Honor. Thank you.
You're welcome.
May I be excused, Your Honor?
All right, did he enter a plea? What's going on here?
He did enter a plea.
This is a PSI.
Okay,
And then this is the one where our victim impact is been put in the breakout room.
because the reason why I say that is because there is nothing listed.
Judge Angelini has it right here.
All right, could I see a stamp, please, for a plea? And Mr. DeLeon, did your client enter a plea of no contest?
He did, Your Honor.
All right. And I'm assuming that Judge Angelini found there was sufficient evidence?
Yes,
did.
Judge. And hopefully it reflects that this was knocked down to an attempted indecency.
Yes.
Okay.
That's what's in the paperwork.
Yes.
All right, everyone, you need to whisper. If you cannot whisper, then you're gonna have to step outside and confer. And guess what? When you're before the bench, do not whisper. I'm amazed that people will whisper when they're before their bench, and this includes attorneys. But then when you're conferring, everybody is speaking so loudly. So whisper. Thank you. It makes it easier for the court reporter, and it makes it for a great Friday Eve. We're trying to bring joy, right? All right, court is calling 2023 CR 0329, State of Texas versus Zachary Sanchez. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state
Ally Jackson.
defense?
Michael DeLeon for Mr. Sanchez.
And are you Mr. Sanchez?
Yes, ma'am.
And Your Honor, just a reminder that our victim's in the breakout room.
All right, you entered a plea on December 5th, 2023 to the offense of attempted indecency with a child by contact as a third-degree felony. According to the plea bargain agreement, the state is recommending deferred adjudication. All right, Mr. Sanchez, I just needed a couple of things cleared up because the court, well, I'm not the person who took this plea. You understand? You need to speak up so the court report can hear.
Sorry, yes, ma'am.
All right, so according to the plea bargain agreement, the state is asking that your community supervision be for a term of 5 years. Did anyone want to speak to the length of community supervision, state,
Not to the state, we just feel it's appropriate, Your Honor.
defense?
Judge, I would just ask for it to be 4 years deferred, and I know that a fine wasn't listed in there. I would just, I'm stepping ahead a step, but he works as a cook. So he doesn't make all that much money. I'm asking maybe if the fine can be probated or be relatively low.
And what is the court cost in this case, please? All right, Mr. Sanchez, can you raise your right hand for me, please? Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God? All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for the record.
Zachary Sanchez.
All right, so I've just been told by the clerk the court costs in this case. Will you be able to pay that over a period of time in installments?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, if you can't pay it, just let the court know. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, and then I have the MIC evaluation. Have everybody seen the mental health evaluation on this case?
I have, Your Honor.
Yes, Your
All
Honor.
right. Any input from either side?
No, Your
No.
Honor.
All right. So, Mr. Sanchez, it is saying here that you do need to be placed on the mental health caseload. Based upon the nature of the offense, will mental health still accept him on their caseload? All right. So what I'll do then is I'll say the mental health sex offender unit, there's going to be 4 years deferred adjudication, Chapter 62 compliance, no contact, with the complainant in the case. There's to be regular reporting by Zoom or in person. There's to be regular UAs, proof of employment within 30 days. There's to be no employment as a health care provider or with minors. There's a request for community service hours, but because of the nature of the offense, there's no community service hours available for you because no one has insurance to do that. You understand? There's to be no unsupervised contact with minors. Probation, is there anything else? Yes.
There's nothing else.
All right. Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful? If there's something else you need, now's the time to let me know.
No, it's fine. It's fine. I think so.
Nothing, Your Honor.
All right.
Thank the court.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Trial Court Certification of Defendant's Rights to Appeal. Did you review that with your attorney? Thank you. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it and did you sign it?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, because this is a plea bargain agreement, because I followed your plea bargain agreement, and because you waive your right to appeal, you do not have the court's permission to appeal. You understand? All right. You all have victim impact?
It's on the Zoom.
All right, and is it the Garcia?
Yes.
Okay. And I'll stop video. All right, Miss Garcia, the video is just not shown. All right, Miss Garcia, if you can unmute, please. All right, Miss Garcia, Mr. Sanchez is here, and you may proceed with your victim impact.
It's going to be my daughter, Sadie.
All right.
Zach, I don't know what to say. I could tell you that you ruined my life and how messed up I am. Or I could tell you for what you did. I don't know how to feel. I'm angry. I'm angry because I didn't deserve what you did. You were supposed to be there to protect me. You were my family. Family doesn't do that. I needed you most when I was there. I thought I was safe, but I was wrong. Since that day, I've never been the same. I don't go out or wear shorts like I used to. I can't sleep and still have nightmares because of what you did. I can't stand when people touch me anymore, and I can't even let my 9-year-old brother touch me. You turned me into a person I never wanted to be. You turned me into someone who doesn't go to places, into someone who can't be alone in a crowd, into someone who can't stop shaking and who takes pills to be happy. I wish you could explain to me why you did what you did. You took my family away from me. My aunt doesn't want to look at me anymore, and my cousins don't believe or trust and can talk to me anymore. I kept it a secret for so long because I knew what my family would do. I understand that you are family, and I love you. I would never make something up like this. Why would I make something up like this? I knew as soon as I opened my mouth that my family would be gone and I would never be the same. You took everything from me, and yet I still forgive you. I forgive you for me to move on in life. I love you.
All right. Thank you so much for coming in.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge. May we be excused?
Yes, if he'll just remain and speak with the probation officer. All right. Thank you. Are we on this case?
We've got an agreement. He's gonna go to ISF.
Just one moment. Could I have the file stamp, please? Oh, no problem. Thank you. It's not a problem. Mr. Lemire? Is it Lemire or Lemire? We're going to go on the record. Court is calling 2018 CR 0858, State of Texas versus Christopher Scott Lemire. Could I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Hank Wilkins for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
Gary Chair.
And are you Mr. Lemire?
Yes.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Enter Adjudication of Guilty and Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
While you're here in jail for violating your probation.
Yes.
Well, no, here's the thing. This document states that you're on probation. Are you aware of that?
Yes, sure.
All right. Do you know why you're here today?
Yes.
All right. So this document that I'm showing you, did you review that with your attorney?
Yes, sure.
Did you understand it?
Yes, sure.
All right. Here's the thing, Mr. Lemire. If it's something that you don't understand, just let me know. So this document that I've shown you, did you review that with your attorney? All right. So if you all to step back and review it. All right. Court is calling 2021 CR 2955, State of Texas versus Victor Alvarez Jr. Can I have parties announced for the record for the state?
Zach Dunn for the state, Your Honor.
Defense?
John Robertson for Mr. Alvarez.
And are you Victor Alvarez?
Ma'am.
I'm going to show you what's entitled Motion to Revoke Community Supervision. Did you review that with your attorney? Did you understand it?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Are you the same Victor Alvarez Jr. who was placed on community supervision in 2021 CR 2955 for the offense of possession of a controlled substance? Penalty group 1 gram to 4 grams on July 15th, 2021 for a term of 4 years. Is that you?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, state.
Your Honor, violated condition number 2, on or about the 12th day of December 2023 in Bear County, Texas, the defendant, Victor Alvarez Jr., did then and there admit illegally using a controlled substance, namely heroin, violation of condition number 2.
How do you plead to that? True or not true? State.
Your Honor, the state waives and abandons the other.
Any
conditions.
objections?
No, Your Honor.
Did you understand by pleading true to violation of condition number 2, the court could find it true, grant the motion, get you up to 4 years in the prison and up to $1,000 fine? Knowing that, do you still wish to plead true to violation of condition number 2? Court will find violation of condition number 2 true. Is there a proposed agreement?
There is a proposed agreement, Your Honor, yes.
What are you all requesting?
Your Honor, Victor was in drug court and had some challenges in drug court and was ultimately discharged in December of 23.
Mhm.
The probation department is recommending safety. He had previously been evaluated for SATF and DDRF, but was declined due to his physical condition. He has 2 prosthetic legs. From talking to Victor over the last couple of weeks, I know Victor, he admits he has a drug problem and he wants to continue to work on that. Victor would like to be considered for being put back into the drug court program and continuing to work with them. And I know he'd like to address the court about that.
All right, you'd like to address the court?
Yes, ma'am.
Can you raise your right hand? Do you solemnly swear or affirm that the testimony you give will be the truth and nothing but the truth, so help you God?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, you can lower your hand, state your name for a record.
Victor Alvarez Jr.
All right, what would you like to say?
I want to say that I messed up. I had my anger getting away, and I've been working a lot, real hard with drug court, trying to some my recovery. And before I went to jail, I talked to my counselor at Alpha, and I told her about getting into anger management classes and continuing with treatment there too. And I really want the opportunity to finish drug court, and I finally got the chance getting new prosthetics, and I'm in the process of getting new prosthetics before I came in here. If you give me a chance, I promise you that I will complete drug court, and if I mess up, you can sentence me to whatever amount is right.
Right. Probation, what is your recommendation?
Probation is to extend probation for a year and a half, and it's the safety followed by after.
All right, this is what the court will do. The court will deny the motion, alter and amend conditions to extend for 2 years, a referral to felony drug court. If felony drug court does not accept him back, then he's going to safety. Is there anything else?
Sorry.
Is there anything else you need from the court to be successful?
I have to go. Can you put me in anger management classes, or do they do that?
Oh, yeah, add anger management classes. Thank you.
You.
And also anger management classes. Thanks for letting us know that that's an issue, okay?
Yes, ma'am.
All right. If you need anything and you feel like it's not being addressed by your probation officer, you can always come back to court. Do you understand?
ma'am.
All right, we can go off the record. Here's the thing. Felony drug court is a good program, but they can't help you if you're not trying. And what do I mean by that? What I mean by that is throwing up your hands and say, well, I'm just going to use. Because I know in felony drug court, there's a lot of people that you can call. And I know over there, probation officers give you their cell number. You have the cell number to your counselor. So instead of breaking down and using the heroin and meth, you should have just picked up the phone. And you can pick up the phone with them and you can call them and say, hey, this is what's going on. And I'm about to use some heroin and meth. And you know what they do over there? Somebody will either say, come in, let us talk to you, or either they'll go to you or get a ride to you to bring you in to talk to your counselor. But if you don't do that, nobody can help you. You understand?
Yes, ma'am.
All right, good luck to you. Don't be the person that they're trying to identify on the side of the road or in a field somewhere and it's you. All right?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good luck to you.
Thank you.
Thank you, Judge.
You're welcome.